Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmer UE team of our channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again, and I will show you or take you how to change with mode with the Samsung Galaxy Y. It is Samsung Galaxy Y. Yes, it is in automatic mode, so you can see that the width is on the top screen is an easy width. So you can see here it is easy, but in fact it is support all with GSM or LTE or 4G, but there is something wrong with that because they have wrong with bandwidth. So today I will take you and show you how to fix this width to make to turn on it to the LTE mode only. So now we're gonna tap on here and type in *#0011 and #, and when you are on this place you will see that the word is in carrier mode. So click on this carrier words, click on that, and this place you will see all LTE or WCDMA LTE. So I recommend you to choose all LTE mode here. So the phone will be changed or turned to the LTE. So it looks like someone have turning off this width, but don't worry about it because it will going to the LTE width, and it will work. So you need to restart or anything with your phone, and now you can see that the width is all in LTE mode and turning on LTE mode. So thank you for watching this video tutorial.